Hey, so I'm back in the garage and we're looking at continuing the build on the 3.5 litre CIS motor. For those of you that don't know, or actually a few months ago I think I started this is a 3 litre SC engine which has been stroked with a crankshaft from a 3.6, and I've got some bored out turbo barrels to 98mm and some custom specification Carello pistons with some higher compression. So I'm at the stage of the short block which has been assembled, and I'm now ready to start putting on the heads and pretty much just closing it up and getting on with it. On the underside you can see, well, I probably should have showed you when I was putting it together, but I do have a 964 oil pump in the case, so that's taking care of supplying pressure and of course scavenging duty, so that should do that quite well. And as I said, I've got some turbo barrels and I had to source some correct 930 engine tins to fit the barrels because the standard ones are a little bit different and they don't quite fit because they've got quite long fins on the bottom side of the barrels. So there's not really too much to say at this point. I just wanted to provide an update because I have not had much on this engine in the background because I've been building other people's engines and doing some service work as well. The heads have been chamfered to allow for the larger diameter barrels, so the 98mm barrels as opposed to 95, and these heads have been rebuilt with obviously new guides, new springs, new seals of course, and I've also got titanium retainers fitted to this one as well, which should lighten up the reciprocating weight there, so it should help it rev a little bit more. Yeah, so look, if you want some work done, by all means check me out, and I am also doing some servicing as well, so if you need valve clearances done or just general maintenance, please by all means look me up. And while I'm here, if you could do me a bit of a favour, I'd really appreciate it if you don't mind what you're seeing here, if you could give the video a thumbs up and maybe put a comment down the bottom about what you'd like to see next. It really does help the YouTube algorithm, help the videos to get noticed. Thanks for tuning in.